Hi, in this video we'll be exploring diarization. Start by clicking the audio connector and upload your audio or video file. Once uploaded, turn on Detect Speaker and click Next. You can listen to your file anytime using the play button.
So, hello, Denis Diefenbach. You completed a PhD on question answering over knowledge graphs. And
After processing, open the diarized view to see the entire audio broken down by speaker. You can rename the speakers or listen to the specific segments.
the objective of our company is to allow the construction of question answering system on top of proprietary data sets.
When you are done, click Finish. Here you have the option to play the script or get its transcribed and diarized version. Click Next to enter the chat interface where you can start asking questions about the uploaded audio. Who is the CEO of the company and what does the company do? Okay. Summarize the key challenges and their solutions in a concise table. Briefly explain how are they using Wikibase. Okay, thank you. Follow along to watch an AI assistant come to life. Log into QAnswer, navigate to AI assistants in the menu, and create one by naming it and uploading a logo of your choice. That's all. Get started now.